Hi children, today we are going to learn about preposition, a new topic. It's a very interesting topic, preposition. Look at all the words and the pictures around. Let's look at each of them. So we are going to learn about preposition. Look, where is this little doggy or puppy? Under the table. Where is the boy? In front of the tree. Where is the banana? Between two boxes. Good. Here. Where is the book? On the table. And where is the banana? In the box. So, in, on, under, in front of, in between, all these are prepositions. Okay? Showing the position. Where is the boy? Where is the banana? Where is the puppy? The position of the person or play things, and that is preposition. Let's look at what is preposition. Look. Preposition. What is preposition? The words that describe the position of a person or a thing. The words that describe the position of a person or a thing are called prepositions. Position. Where is the boy? In front of the tree. Where is the dog? Under the table. That is preposition. Let's look at some pictures and sentences and learn to understand what putting in correct preposition. What is preposition? The position, okay, of person or thing. Good. Let's look at our first picture. Look what we have here. What do you see here, children? There is a bird's nest. And what do you see? You see a birdie. Where is the birdie? Inside the nest, in the nest. Let's read the sentence. The bird is sitting. Sitting. Who is sitting inside? The bird is sitting. Where? In the nest. Is the bird sitting outside? No. In the nest. In the position. Where is the bird sitting? The bird is sitting in the nest. So, in is the preposition. Yes? Position of the bird sitting in. Did you enjoy? Did you understand? In, the bird is sitting in the nest. So, we have put in as white. Let's go to the next picture. Then you will understand the preposition better. Look. There's a huge tree here, almost hiding the boy. Where is the boy? The boy is standing. Where is the boy standing? The boy is standing behind the tree. Behind. You cannot hardly see him. Huge tree is behind the tree. Behind is the preposition. Where is the boy standing? The boy is standing behind the huge tree. Now, did you understand? Let's take another picture. Look. What do you see here? Lovely blanket over, and there's someone under the blanket. Okay? Let's read the sentence. The cat is hiding. Where is the cat hiding? The cat is hiding under the blanket. Under. Where is the cat hiding? The cat is hiding under the blanket. Under. So, under is the preposition. Are you understanding? Are you learning? Good. Enjoy. Let's take the next picture. What do we see here? A bird. Yes. Where is the bird sitting? The bird is sitting on the tree. On. Look at the tree here. On the branch is there sitting. Where is the bird sitting? The bird is sitting on the tree. On the branch, on the tree. So on is the preposition. Are you enjoying? Shall we take another picture? Yes. Look. There's a man here. What is he doing? He's climbing. Where is he climbing? The man is climbing on the hill. On. Climbing up the hill. He is somewhere midway. He is climbing up the hill. Climbing up the hill. A very difficult job to climb up, isn't it? But he looks very happy. Where is the man climbing? The man is climbing up the hill. Up is preposition. What is the action being done? Position of the man climbing up the hill. Good. Let's look at another picture. See what you have here. The book is open, and where is the book? Where is the book kept? The book is kept on the table. On the table. Where is the pen? The pen is on the book. On. Where are the glasses? On the table. So on. Where is the book kept? The book is kept on the table. Look at the pen. Where is the pen kept? The pen is kept again on the book. On. Preposition on. Are you enjoying? Good. Let's look at our next picture. Here we are. There's a little boy. What is this? Curtain. What is the boy doing over there? The boy is hiding. Where is the boy hiding? The boy is hiding behind the curtain. He's playing hide and seek. Where is the boy hiding? The boy is hiding behind the curtain. Are you enjoying? Shall we take another picture? Yes. Look. Look at the picture here. A lovely little kitten sitting between two tiny dogs, two puppies. A cat and two dogs. Yes? Let's read the sentence. The cat is sitting. Where is the cat sitting? The cat is sitting between the dogs. Where is the cat sitting? The cat is sitting between the dogs. So the two dogs sleeping and she's there sitting. The cat is sitting between. Between is the preposition. Yes? Third. Let's go on to a new picture. Look. There's a table over here. There's a ball over here. The ball is where? Where is the ball? The ball is under the table. Where is the ball? The ball is under. Position of the ball is under. Preposition under. Under the table. Where is the ball? Under the table. Good. Let's go on to another picture. What is this? A car. And somebody is sitting inside, the driver. The car and the driver is sitting inside. Okay. The driver is sitting. Where is the driver sitting? The driver is sitting inside the car. He has to sit inside to drive, isn't it? Where is the driver sitting? The driver is sitting inside the car. Preposition inside. Good. Let's look at another picture. Look. Look at this. Lovely field. And you have a cow here. The cow is grazing. Where is the cow grazing? The cow is grazing in the field. Where is the cow grazing? The cow is grazing. What is grazing? Eating grass. Where? In the field. In. Good. Are you enjoying learning prepositions? Let's look at another picture. Look. What do you see here? There is water flowing under the bridge. There is a bridge dash the river. There is a bridge. This is the bridge. And there is a river. There is a bridge over the river. The river is flowing. They build a bridge across. So, there is a bridge over the river. They build a bridge over the river. So, the river flows under and there is a bridge over. Yes, over. Let's go on to another picture. Yes, good. Here we are. Look at this lovely huge tree. There is a tree. Where is the tree? There is a tree in front of the house. A huge tree. Where? Where is the tree? In front of the house. There's a huge tree. Good. Let's go on to another picture. Are you learning preposition? Are you understanding better? Good. Look. This is Thomas. This is Thomas and he's got two brothers here. Thomas and two brothers. Thomas is sitting. Yes, we know Thomas is sitting. Where is Thomas sitting? Thomas is sitting between his brothers. Between his brothers. Where is Thomas sitting? Thomas is sitting between his brothers. Good. Look at the picture. 1, 2. There are two boys over here. Where are the boys resting? The boys are resting under the tree. There's a tree over here. Can you see? Under. The boys are resting under the tree. Preposition under. The boys are resting where? The boys are resting under the tree. The word under is the preposition. Are you understanding preposition better? Let's go on to another picture. Look. Here you have Anne. Her name is Anne. What is she doing? Anne is watering the plants. Where is Anne watering the plants? Anne is watering the plants outside. You can also keep plants inside the house. Here, Anne is watering the plant outside the house. She's planted a whole lot of tiny plants and she's watering it. So, outside is the preposition. I hope you understood what is preposition. Okay? Good. I hope you enjoyed the exercise.